Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have 4 answers: 24, 26, 30 and 28. So after solving it, let's see which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have two type of rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Basically, these are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the exponent of power, which is step number 2. So you have to solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to see division and multiplication, and you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Division part is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And similarly, if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Both have similar precedence. So if you go left to right and find out the addition is coming first or subtraction. Now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we will solve the first bracket. Here we have 3 brackets. So first of all, we will solve this one by one each bracket. So here we have 9 minus 6, which is equal to 3, plus 8. This we will write as it is. And here 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Now move forward. Second bracket, 8 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 16. And this part we will write as it is. 8 multiplied by 2 equals to 16. Now, move forward to solve the last bracket. So, we will write this bracket, we will solve this one. So, 7 plus a1 equals to 8. Now, move forward. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Again, we have solved all brackets. So now we do not have any bracket. So now we will see the exponent part in our expression. So if you see the exponent in our expression, so we do not have any exponent part. So now we will solve the addition and multiplication, which is third step. So now we will go left to right in our expression and find out the division and multiplication. So here we have the division. So we will write like here 54 divided by 3, so which is equals to 1, and 24, which is equals to 3 8 the 24. Okay, now plus 16 minus 8 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 54 divided by 3 equals to 18. Now move forward to solve multiplication and division. Now we do not have any multiplication and division, so now we will go for addition and subtraction. So now we have addition first, so we will add these two terms. So here we 34. The answer 16, 18 plus 16, which is equal to 34. So now we will add both of them, 18 plus 16, which is equal to 34. Now move forward, and also we will write minus 8 as it is. So now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So 34 minus 8 equals to 26. So the answer of the given expression is 26. If you see the answer list, answer B is the correct answer. So this is the rule, like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression and find out the correct result. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.